The global economy might seem like a massive, confusing machine, but it affects your life more than you realize. From the price of food to the jobs available and the interest you pay on loans. So how does it actually work? In this video, we'll break it down step by step, explaining trade, money flow, investments, and how countries interact in simple, easy-to-understand terms. You'll see how decisions in one part of the world can ripple across the globe, impacting your finances, your career, and your future. Today, we will talk about how the global economy actually works. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Understanding the global economy. The global economy refers to the interconnected system of economic activity that spans all countries. It includes production, trade, investment, and consumption across borders. No country operates in isolation. What happens in one economy can affect others. For example, a slowdown in a major economy like the US or China can ripple across the world, impacting exports, prices, and investment. Globalization, technology, and international trade agreements have made these connections stronger than ever. Understanding the global economy helps individuals, businesses, and policymakers anticipate trends, make informed decisions, and understand why events in distant countries can impact local prices, jobs, and investment opportunities. The global economy is like a web. Each link influences the strength and stability of the entire system. 2. International trade and its role. Trade is a core component of the global economy. Countries export goods and services they produce efficiently and import what they cannot produce as cost-effectively. This specialization increases productivity, reduces costs, and provides consumers with a wider range of products. Trade agreements, tariffs, and trade wars can affect these flows, influencing prices, jobs, and economic growth. Multinational corporations rely on trade to reach new markets, source materials, and reduce production costs. Understanding international trade helps explain why events in one country, like a natural disaster or political dispute, can create global supply chain disruptions. Trade is the backbone of economic interdependence, making it central to how the global economy functions. 3. Financial markets and capital flows. Financial markets, including stock markets, bond markets, and currency exchanges, play a critical role in the global economy. Capital flows between countries, allowing businesses and governments to invest, expand, and borrow. For instance, investors in developed countries may finance infrastructure projects in emerging markets, while multinational corporations access global capital to fund operations. Currency fluctuations affect trade competitiveness and investment returns. Financial market stability is crucial because volatility can spread quickly, affecting economies worldwide. Understanding global capital flows helps individuals, businesses, and policymakers anticipate investment trends, manage risks, and navigate economic uncertainty effectively. 4. Role of central banks globally. Central banks in each country regulate money supply, control inflation, and stabilize financial systems. Their decisions, including interest rate adjustments and quantitative easing, can influence both domestic and international markets. For example, a U.S. interest rate hike can strengthen the dollar, making exports from other countries more expensive and impacting global trade. Coordination among central banks helps manage global economic risks, such as recessions or currency crises. Understanding the role of central banks clarifies how monetary policy decisions in one country can ripple through the global economy, affecting jobs, investment, and financial stability worldwide. 5. Economic growth and development. Economic growth varies across countries, creating different opportunities and challenges. Developed economies often have stable institutions, diversified industries, and higher productivity, while emerging markets grow rapidly but may face political instability or infrastructure gaps. Global growth is driven by a combination of innovation, labor force expansion, trade, and investment. Differences in economic development affect trade patterns, investment flows, and international aid. Understanding growth disparities helps explain why certain countries dominate global trade and finance, while others rely on exports or foreign investment to grow. Economic development also shapes migration patterns, consumption trends, and global competitiveness. 6. Globalization and interconnectedness. Globalization has linked economies through trade, investment, technology, and communication. Companies source products globally, supply chains cross multiple countries, and digital platforms enable international services. While globalization boosts efficiency and growth, it also spreads risk. Crises in one region, such as financial collapses or pandemics, can have worldwide effects. Understanding globalization helps individuals and businesses anticipate challenges, such as supply chain disruptions, and leverage opportunities, such as access to new markets and talent. Interconnectedness explains why decisions in one country can quickly impact others, highlighting the importance of monitoring global economic trends. 7. Trade imbalances and debt. Trade imbalances occur when a country imports more than it exports, or vice versa. Persistent imbalances can lead to debt accumulation, currency depreciation, and economic vulnerabilities. Countries may rely on foreign investment or loans to finance deficits, creating exposure to global financial fluctuations. Debt crises in one country can impact international banks, investors, and trading partners. Understanding trade imbalances and global debt structures helps explain why policymakers focus on trade agreements, fiscal discipline, and foreign reserves. These imbalances play a critical role in shaping global economic stability and the distribution of wealth and influence across nations. 8. Global crises and their impact. Global crises, such as financial recessions, pandemics, or natural disasters, can have immediate and widespread economic consequences. For example, the 2008 financial crisis started in the U.S. housing market but triggered global recessions, job losses, and stock market crashes. Similarly, the COVID-19 pandemic disrupted trade, travel, and production worldwide. Understanding how crises spread through the global economy emphasizes the importance of risk management, emergency planning, and international cooperation. Awareness of these vulnerabilities helps businesses and individuals anticipate potential shocks and adapt strategies to minimize economic losses. 9. Opportunities in the global economy. Despite risks, the global economy presents significant opportunities. Investors can diversify internationally, businesses can reach new markets, and workers can access global talent platforms. Emerging markets provide high growth potential, while developed markets offer stability. Innovation, technology, and global trade create new industries and jobs worldwide. Understanding these opportunities allows individuals and companies to make strategic decisions that leverage economic growth and connectivity. By navigating global trends wisely, people can benefit from globalization and economic interdependence while managing associated risks. 10. Why understanding the global economy matters to you. Understanding how the global economy works affects your finances, career, and daily life. Prices, job opportunities, interest rates, and investment returns are all influenced by global trends. Awareness helps you anticipate economic changes, make informed decisions, and adapt to international events like trade wars, financial crises, or market shifts. Whether you are investing, running a business, or planning your career, knowledge of the global economy empowers you to navigate risks and seize opportunities. Global economic literacy allows you to make smarter financial decisions and understand the larger forces shaping the world around you. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.